Yes.
my head.
Uy, makinig kayo.
Tita Ray and I have been married for 19 years.
Wow.
Going on 20 in March. Don't give me that face. Okay. You know, it's really exciting. It's an adventure. It's a wonderful journey. However,
Oh, caveat.
yeah, just like life, okay, there are ups and downs, and when the children arrive, that's when challenges really come. Okay, so the good thing about us is we really communicate well. Actually, I don't want to talk, but he always says, "Come on, we have to talk about it."
Who does?
Okay, he does. Okay.
Oh yeah?
So I think that's very important. Communication is the key. And don't think about anything else. Just the love that you have started with. That's the most important thing. And the key ingredient is God. So without God, everything's going to fall apart. So always remember that.
Bravo, bravo. It's given din the however part.
Oh, Tito Ray.
Ako na?
Oo.
Lipstick mo na.
Alam mo.
Makeup, makeup.
Oh, si Uncle Ray.
Oh, may makeup muna si Suresh.
I don't think there are words of wisdom. I don't believe it is when it comes to relationship. So relationship has to be worked on. It's going to be different from one person to another, so one's wisdom may not apply to you. But what I could say is remember yourselves now. Remember yourselves as best friends. Okay? The way you treat each other, the way you respect one another, like we were saying, and you have to, just after a while you forget. But once upon a time, before you became a couple, before you got married, you were very good friends. Okay? And just try to remain as good friends. And that's the key. That's what she said.
Yay!